Hello and welcome back. This is my part 3 and the final cleaning of my stove and my hallway. So it is actually dramatically changing my stove. I just need more extra work to actually clean the half of the other side. I didn't want this video to be too long, which it actually extended to 3 parts. So I just wanted to get a feel of how it is to actually use the product on something that's really over dramatically greasy. So it tremendously cleaned a part of it. It's better than dish soap and warm water, and it helped like a bit of it, not much, but just a bit of it. And I was happy that it has cleaned most of them, so I don't have to like try to clean it or try to take it out with a butter knife, but it helped a lot. Okay, so that is it for now. That's all I can do, and it's actually better than before. Okay, so that is it for this clean with me and testing the product. I'm just putting everything back in its place, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and if you like it, go ahead and click the like button too, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell too as well. And I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much, and if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up too as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.